What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In the last video, I got slightly roasted by you guys for the condition of the Jeep. Let me show you guys what I mean. So take a look at how dirty this thing got. Now, keep in mind, I did not take this thing off-roading. I didn't do anything crazy. All I did was drive through a construction zone. It may or may not have had a sign that said street is closed. But yeah, look at what happened to this thing. And I think the problem is because I did put some wheel spacers on this thing. So you see how the tires go outside of these mud flap type things? So it just shoots up and just cake this entire truck here on both sides. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. Yeah, look at that. I mean, it kind of looks like how a Jeep is supposed to look like, but it is just caked on there. But your boy came prepared. We're gonna wash this thing. We're gonna take care of it right now. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so the idea of this video is to obviously wash the Jeep and get it cleaned. But I also want to see if I could do it just buying things that you can go to Walmart and pick up. So everything that I'm going to use in this video, I picked up at my local Walmart, which you guys could do the same. This video isn't sponsored by these companies or anything like that. I just like Walmart, and it's close, it's affordable, and yeah, so let me show you guys what I got. So first thing is by this company called Auto Drive. It's just a washing mitt, so this is kind of scrub the soap in, get all the dirt out. I also got some microfiber cloths by that same company. There's two of them. One's for washing, one is for drying, which is pretty cool. And the last thing I'm going to be using is a citrus washing gloss by Chemical Guys. Again, not sponsored, but I love these guys. I have a foam cannon by them, and it's amazing. I highly recommend it. And I'll be using my handy dandy Christmas bucket here to kind of rinse things off and wash them. So yeah, let's get started and see how these Walmart products hold up against a super dirty Jeep. All right, so the first step is I'm just going to rinse the car off to get any loose dirt off. As I'm rubbing the soap in, I don't want it, if there's any rocks or anything like that, to scratch the paint of the car. So first things first, let's rinse this baby off and see what it looks like. All right, so phase one is complete, just a little bit of water, and it's crazy how much better just even the water made it look. Obviously it still needs a ton of work, but let's go into phase two here. We're going to throw in the washing gloss here into this handy dandy bucket, add some water, and see what we could do. Let's see how it looks. Ready? Oh yeah, look at that foam. Nice. All right, so I'm going to use our handy dandy Walmart wash mitt here, and let's get this thing going. Man, this is much needed. All right, so I'm gonna do section by section because it's like super hot and humid. I don't want this soap to like cake on, so I'm gonna do portion by portion and see how it looks and get any spots that I missed. So that looks pretty good. Let's get rid of rinse. All right, so already look how nice and clean this front quarter panel looks. Let's keep moving down the side of the Jeep and see how clean we can get this puppy. All right, so same thing. I'm gonna rinse off this section. All right, guys, so far so good. Let's continue on to the back side of the door here. Alright guys, so far so good. Now I'm going to take one of these microfiber cloths and dry the car off. I'm not going to bore you with doing the other side. As you can see, it's already turning out a whole lot better. So let's dry it off and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so take a look at how much of a difference this side looks than the other side. Now obviously I'm not a professional detailer and this was kind of a quick job just to show you guys the quality you can get with just something you can go buy from Walmart and using something as simple as a garden hose. But I think it turned out fantastic compared to what it was. I kind of wish I never did the other side or even rinsed it down just so I could show you guys how big of a difference it makes. I mean, look at this. This was already rinsed down and it looks pretty terrible as opposed to this side. Ready? So remember what that looks like. Now look at this. Look how nice and shiny that looks. The only thing I would say is I wish I had a foam cannon. Like I said, I have the Chemical Guys foam cannon somewhere in my garage, which I gotta find. That is the only thing that I would add to this so far. Maybe a specific wheel cleaner just to get in there and clean out the wheels a little bit better. Tire shine, but this was more just for the body. I want to show you guys again the quality you can get. So there it is. The myth has been busted. You can get a very clean car from products you can buy at Walmart. Just go to your Walmart, pick it up, come back, clean your car. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed that quick video of washing my super dirty Jeep. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video.